wonder what makes the perfect cutting board? While your kitchen may be stocked with various tools, the cutting board is truly the unsung hero of meal preparation. Today, we're going to explore why the type of wood matters more than you might think. Not all woods are created equal when it comes to durability, knife care, and food safety. In this video, we'll guide you through the best wood choices that combine functionality with beauty, ensuring your cutting board becomes a long-lasting kitchen companion. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Before we begin our deep dive into the world of wood, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our expert kitchen tips. Now, let's carve into the details of what makes certain woods stand out for cutting boards. When it comes to professional kitchens and serious home cooks, hard maple consistently rises to the top as the gold standard. What makes this wood so special? Its incredibly dense, tight-grained structure creates a surface that's tough enough to withstand years of chopping, yet smooth enough to be gentle on your knife blades. The science behind its appeal lies in its low porosity. Those microscopic gaps between wood fibers are so small that bacteria struggle to find places to hide, making it one of the most hygienic options available. The pale, creamy color of maple not only brightens up your kitchen workspace, but also provides excellent visibility when you're prepping colorful ingredients. Professional chefs swear by maple boards because they can take a beating while maintaining their integrity. And for home cooks, this means investing in a board that might just outlast your kitchen itself. Transitioning from the practical to the luxurious, Walnut offers a stunning alternative that combines elegance with everyday functionality. Imagine a cutting surface so beautiful you'd almost hesitate to use it, until you experience how its medium density actually benefits your knives. Unlike harder woods, walnut has just enough give to prevent premature dulling of your blades while still being durable enough for daily use. The rich, chocolate brown tones deepen over time, developing a patina that tells the story of countless meals prepared. What many cooks appreciate most is how walnut's darker surface naturally camouflages the inevitable knife marks and stains that come with regular use. For those who view their kitchen tools as both functional and decorative, a walnut cutting board serves as a striking centerpiece that only gets better with age. For those who appreciate the romance of woodworking, cherry offers a uniquely dynamic option that evolves over time. When you first bring home a cherry cutting board, you'll notice its warm, pinkish-brown tones that seem to glow under kitchen lighting. But here's where the magic happens. As cherry is exposed to light and air, it undergoes a fascinating transformation, gradually darkening to a deep, rich red that makes each board uniquely personal. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, cherry strikes a perfect balance between hardness and workability. It's softer than maple, but more stable than many other fruit woods, offering just the right amount of resistance to protect both your knives and the board surface. The closed grain structure makes it naturally resistant to moisture penetration, an essential quality for any surface that comes into frequent contact with food. For cooks who value both performance and the story behind their kitchen tools, cherry represents a perfect marriage of form and function. Moving to more budget-conscious but equally practical options, beech and white oak deserves serious consideration. Beech, often overlooked in favor of more exotic woods, offers remarkable consistency in its grain pattern, creating a uniformly smooth surface that's ideal for precise knife work. Its pale honey color brings a bright, clean look to food preparation, though it does require slightly more maintenance to prevent staining. White oak, on the other hand, brings a unique advantage to the table. Its cellular structure contains tyloses, natural compounds that make it exceptionally resistant to moisture penetration. This quality makes white oak particularly suitable for kitchens, where the board might frequently come into contact with liquids. While these woods might lack some of the visual drama of walnut or cherry, they offer unbeatable value for cooks who prioritize practicality and longevity over aesthetic flair. As we wrap up our exploration of cutting board woods, let's consider some essential care tips that apply regardless of your material choice. The longevity of your board depends largely on proper maintenance. Regular oiling with food-grade mineral oil creates a protective barrier against moisture and odors. Avoid the common mistake of putting wooden boards in the dishwasher, as the extreme heat and prolonged moisture exposure will cause warping and cracking. Instead, develop the habit of hand washing with mild soap and immediately drying your board after use. For those particularly concerned about food safety, consider designating specific boards for different types of ingredients, one for meats, another for produce, to minimize cross-contamination risks. Remember that even the highest quality wood board will eventually show signs of wear. When deep grooves develop that can't be sanded out, it's time to retire the board to decorative purposes and invest in a new one. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the practical perfection of hard maple to the evolving beauty of cherry, the sophisticated walnut, and the reliable affordability of beech and white oak. Each of these woods brings unique qualities to your kitchen, and the best choice depends on your specific cooking style, aesthetic preferences, and budget. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's been your experience with wooden cutting boards? Do you have a favorite wood type we didn't mention? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content that helps you make informed decisions about your kitchen tools. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of cutting board woods. Until next time, happy chopping from all of us at Kitchen to Entertain.